Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I know I'm way behind on comments, so I apologize for that. And I think in last video I did say I was going to try to do a couple of videos and maybe answer some comments. So, alright, back in December I was talking about how I solve problems, and I really wanted to focus on repeatability. And the reason why I talk about repeatability is you want to make sure you cover all the circumstances. And really the reason why I say repeatability is because you want to get some sort of part of it that's repeatable so that then you can build upon this. And let's just kind of show this example. Let's say you had 9 dots for right now, and you wanted to be able to go and touch, check, whatever you wanted to, all 9 dots. So you could do this a variety of ways, but there's really only one that's repeatable. So you could come up here and you go, all right, go forward, start here. So you go forward 2, then turn right, then turn left, then go forward 2, then turn left, then go forward 2. Well, we're already out, but let me show you this. So let's say you start here, move forward. All right, then turn, so you'd be facing this way. You'd be facing this way. So then you'd turn right, then move forward 1, move forward 2, turn 180 degrees, move forward 1, move forward 2, then turn right. Boom. You have a repeatable segment. So then all you'd have to do is find out how long this column is and how many rows this is, and then how many columns this is. But you just came up with a set of instructions to do this. Yes, you'd end up going over them twice, but we're not working on optimization right now. I'm just thinking about find a way that you can do the smallest thing over and over and over again. So now let's get back to the question. So it's kind of a question statement. So I just wanted to clarify, when you say it has to be repeatable, you're referring to a program being unaffected by the previous input. Basically OOP, object-oriented programming. No, that's not exactly what I'm saying. Now, OOP is being unaffected. So one thing that I read years and years ago is function. So here, I haven't explicitly talked about this. So that would be functional programming. Now, if I were to create an object that would say how many columns and how many rows we are, now we're talking about object-oriented programming, OOP. So basically, one of the best ways that I remember reading about it was functional programming is a few things, many operations, and then the flip side of it, object-oriented is many things, few operations. So let me give an example. So not depending on previous input, let's say you have a person or a car. So a car can be from a certain manufacturer, a make, then a model, then a color, and then features, or a person. So let's say we have person, then we have male or female. Okay, so that's one branch. And then hair color, skin color, eye color, height, facial hair, all of these characteristics. So those are many things, but then what operation would that person do? So a car, a person, that would be a more object-oriented, many things, but few operations, where functional programming would be like one object, one thing, one thing with many operations. So I really hope that kind of answered, and that's probably going to be the plan, as I have so many comments to go back through that I probably try to do 1 or 2 more videos on this for the week and wrap this week up. And I really don't know what next week is going to bring. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're jumping over to Discord, joining over there. We have a great deal of support growing on that platform. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.